So today at the port, what we're doing is we're doing a taste off between Popeyes, Raising Cane's, and Chick-fil-A. We decided to get 2 chicken sandwiches, 1 spicy, 1 non-spicy, and then a side of chicken strips or chicken nuggets. Just because everyone here at Biola loves going to pretty much these 2 places, but we're just checking out Popeyes, see if it lives up to the hype. Hey.
Go chicken go, go chicken go, now gonna fly, you on the sky, all on the air, all on the air, all on the
So uncomfortable.
All right. There you go.
Still crispy.
Chicken, Chickenhead, Chickenhead.
I ordered a half gallon, and the guy looked me straight in the face and said, Whoa, Brian.
Cool him down.
Let's talk about how this looks.
I will
Thinking
say,
about appearances.
Raising Cane's does have the sexiest looking sandwich.
But the chicken looks plastic.
Chickenhead,
But look at all that chicken hanging
Look at
out.
all that chicken. Every time David says, I will say, we gotta take a drink of this. It's very
Chicken
solid.
sandwich.
I mean, it's the Chick-fil-A that everyone loves.
Meanwhile,
Hey man. I will say, it did need some sauces. So
Here's a dilemma. There are 3 chicken fingers in there, and there's 4 of us. So one of us has to go.
No!
What's your plan?
I will say, I will drop points.
I will say.
And
The whole thing is pretty thick, but most of it is the bread. You know?
I think the bread takes away from it. It's almost a little too thick.
but then that's why there's sauce.
It is also kind of hard to eat because it's not a patty. So you kind of have to hold
Yeah.
the tenders together.
It almost looks like a giant piece of Hawaiian bread.
And the chicken here is really fat.
I thought I was gonna be dry, but it's not. That's
It
good.
is not dry.
This is
This
is it.
wow.
This is really good.
Sorry, Chick-fil-A. I feel like
I mean, the breading there, man, it's good.
Yeah, right
This is
away,
pretty
this
good.
this one is better.
It's plugging.
what's this? This is pretty sweet. I think that's the only thing about fries is that if you they let them sit.
Oh. Good flavor. This is the Chick-fil-A classic. This is so good. I'm just so excited to eat.
Just the extra chicken hanging on the side. Look at the density of the meat.
It's a lot of meat.
There's nothing bad about this, but nothing
I mean,
great.
it's Chick-fil-A. They don't really have to prove anything.
Yeah.
Bye, Jason.
See you,
Bye,
Jason.
Jason.
You know where I got the sweater?
I do.
Garage
Garage
sale.
sale.
Brian. Shout out to garage sales.
Shout out to when Jason got this piece of clothing. I was super hyped for that.
Yeah, so actually
That's good.
for only $8.
This is Popeyes regular.
Ooh, that cross section. Ooh.
Good looking cross
That's a
section.
thick
Show it to the
boy.
camera. Show it to the
Chickenhead.
He reminds me of McDonald's. It's like mayonnaise and pickle.
At least for the regular Popeyes.
For the regular, yeah.
Spicy one that's like
Because it's just mayo. Like there's a lot of mayo in here, which makes it juicy, but not as special. It's spicy.
Kind of like if you want to use Chick-fil-A, that's like comfort food. But if you want to go out to like a fancy restaurant, you get the Popeyes chicken sandwich. If you're a college, the spicy one.
Gotta be spicy.
But if you want to go, but you know, if you're a college student and you have a budget of a ramen for a cup of ramen, go for Cane's. But I feel like the Cane's is the most expensive.
Yeah.
Popeyes is cheapest.
Popeyes are
I know, but that's the weird part. I feel like it should be free.
This is how I rank it. This is David's list. We have to put the regular classic from Popeyes as the lowest, just because it didn't have much flavor. Just really, it was just there. Then I go for
Oh
Cane's.
no. Oh, okay, good. We're
I
good.
go for Cane's as my number 4. It's still a solid sandwich, but if we're comparing, it wasn't great. I'll put the Chick-fil-A regular sandwich as number 3 because it's gonna be steady. It's gonna be there. It's nothing too amazing, but nothing too bad. It's gonna be the standard. And then spicy Chick-fil-A is my number 2. And I think Popeye's spicy chicken sandwich takes my top spot. So
Boom.
that's it.
I agree completely with what David said. There are no discrepancies in his answer. My order is the exact same.
I think it's unanimous.
Do you agree too?
Oh, you agree?
I do.
Okay.
Y'all
Matt?
are gonna hate me for this. So
Oh, where's the hot take? Hot take.
Y'all are gonna hate me for this so much. But I feel like I'm gonna go for Chick-fil-A spicy as number 1.
Woo!
But then Popeyes is just like just
So would you
right
say,
under there.
Would you say like a 1 and a 1A, or is it more of a 1 and 2, like a definitive
1 and a 1A?
You know what? I would agree
That's
with
really
Matt
close.
solely
Oh,
on the basis of price.
This one was cheaper.
yeah.
Exactly. So Oh wait, shoot. I retract my statement.
I will say.
It kind of felt like a good though.
I will say. Okay, we'll have to take another.
Food coma on sweet tea.
It's a meat treat.
Chicken go.